Transform your ride with the Type S 48-inch AppGlow Deluxe LED kit, the ultimate smart lighting experience for your vehicle. Welcome to the Type S Garage. I'm Isaac, and today we're going to take a look at our brand new Type S multicolor 48-inch Infinite AppGlow Deluxe LED kit. Now, we may have gone a bit overboard with this kit, but we decided to include 864 premium RGB LED chips. That's 216 chips per strip. Saying that these strips are bright would be an understatement. With the Type S LED app, you're in control. Customize colors, brightness, and speed. Choose from 43 dynamic light modes. A couple of my favorites are scan and chase effects. You can access your presets with Siri and Google Assistant, or switch through them effortlessly through Apple CarPlay. See a color you love? Photo Match technology lets you capture and apply it instantly to your lighting kit. Our crystal connectors and light sync technology ensure seamless illumination with flexible installation utilizing 3M adhesive. And with built-in low voltage protection, the lighting kit automatically shuts off to prevent drainage from your vehicle's battery. Smart, vibrant, customizable, the Type S 48-inch Infinite AppGlow Deluxe LED kit is lighting redefined.